What's up guys, prefacing this entire bit of info with a big warning about its early and unconfirmed nature, even though the source is quite reputable. Even Blast @EvilLeaks has an industry insider scoop, or maybe even a few, judging by his recent private post that claims the Samsung Galaxy S11 will come in 3 sizes. Having been said, the specification of the Samsung Galaxy S11 series has been leaked. So first up, a small 6.2-inch or perhaps 6.4-inch one. If Samsung sticks to its current naming convention, it would probably be the Galaxy S11e. Working our way up, there is a regular Galaxy S11 set to support a 6.7-inch diagonal, and finally a bigger likely Galaxy S11 Plus model at 6.9-inch. All 3 panels will apparently be curved this time around, so fans of the traditional flat look of the current Galaxy S10e might be left a bit disappointed. Still, it is hardly a surprising move. Same goes for the rumor of a shift to a taller 20:9 aspect ratio from the last month. As per that information, at least one of the Galaxy S11 models will feature a 20:9 aspect ratio, just like certain A-series devices, Galaxy A80 and the A70. Unfortunately, there is still no word on whether new flagship panel design will have a notch or cutout of some sorts, or perhaps incorporate a periscope selfie camera of design, but we digress. Circling back to the Even Blast, he also mentions that the smaller 2 Galaxy S11 models will be offered in LTE and 5G variants, while the largest one will only have a 5G option. Naturally, with backward supports for 4G networks all around. This effectively brings the Galaxy S11 variant count to 5. Other bits and pieces of information we have also overheard about Samsung's next flagship is the inclusion of the company's own second generation 108 megapixel main camera sensor alongside a 5x zoom periscope camera. The latter will likely be at the core of a recently trademarked space zoom feature. In another unsurprising bit, we anticipate either an Exynos 9830 or a Snapdragon 865 inside the Galaxy S11 family, depending on the market. As per usual, we can probably expect the new Galaxy S11 phones sometime in the mid to late Feb. And if history is anything to go by, we will probably know a lot more details prior to the official launch. So yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.